Welcome to PAYS POS. In this video, we'll show you how to create floor plans and tables for dine-in orders from the PAYS POS Admin Dashboard. First, log in to your PAYS POS Admin Dashboard. Click the three-line menu in the top left corner, then navigate to Floor Plan. To create a new floor, click Create Floor Plan and enter the floor name. Next, click the Add Table icon and choose the table shape you want. You can easily drag and position tables anywhere on the floor plan. You can also resize tables, change the table name, edit the table number, set the chair count. One of the best features of PAYS POS is that you can also add objects to your floor plan, allowing you to create a layout that matches your restaurant. Once you're finished, click Save Floor Plan, then click Back to Floors. If your restaurant has multiple dining areas or multiple floors, you can create as many floor plans as you need. That's it. Your restaurant floor plan is now ready to use in PAYS POS.